apologize for the interruption to this broadcast. Normal programming has been suspended. Please stand by for a national emergency warning. Please stand by for a national emergency warning. Please stand by for a national...
And we have now official information about the attack against our country. Please stand by for a message from the EAS. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The source of the attack from earlier today has been identified. The rockets were coming from Russia. Although Putin claims that the rockets weren't launched at his demands, Putin and Trump are now searching for the real suspects behind this. Stay tuned to local radio for more information.
Good evening and welcome to our viewers in the West. There are several breaking stories as we come on the air tonight, including a new bombshell from Robert Mueller. But we begin with another shooting on an American campus. Officials say at least 2 people are dead and several others are injured after a gunman opened fire at the University of North Carolina at Charlotte. And NBC's Steve Patterson has the very latest.
Happening now, chaos on campus. Tonight, police say a gunman opened fire at the University of North Carolina, Charlotte.
We got one we need medic to really step it up on. The shooter is detained right here.
Authorities so far confirming 2 dead, 2 with life-threatening injuries.
It was just crazy. It was like, I would never expect this to happen to me.
Police say 1 person has been taken into custody. NBC affiliate WCNC reporting the suspect is 22-year-old student Tristan Andrew Terrell.
This is an emergency advice. Information of a biohazard outbreak within this country has been received. The current threat level is emergency advice, meaning an emergency is likely. A number of biosecurity facilities around the country have been attacked by terrorists and stocks of highly contagious viruses stolen. Several of the attacks have resulted in contamination of the surrounding area. There is a significant possibility of viral mutation. This may result in the emergence of an airborne plague. Residents of the following areas are advised to evacuate immediately: Penrith, New South Wales; Frankston, Victoria; Midland, Western Australia; Capalaba, Queensland; South Australia. Wear a breathing device, such as a mask, to ensure your safety. You are advised to stay indoors. Seek shelter now. Seek a place of safety now. Seek shelter now. Seek a place of safety now. Ensure you have access to a battery-powered radio. For updates and instructions on 531 kHz on the AM band. Updates are also available via www.em.gov.au. If you have a mobile device, turn it, then activate Wi-Fi and cellular access. Emergency information will be transmitted to your device where possible. Please do not make phone, mobile or SMS calls as of now. Your network will be needed to broadcast emergency information. Updates will continue to be broadcast via television as they become available. Seek shelter now. Seek a place of safety now. Seek shelter now. Seek a place of safety now.